Hello, people. So, as you all know, I always read and recommend books on my channel that I think everybody should read. So, if you are a young, single, eligible young lady, you need to read this book, Mr. Good Enough. Honestly, I think this is among the third or fourth time that I'm doing the same little video on my channel because I can't recommend this book enough. Yeah, Mr. Good Enough. It's about the fact that uh, young ladies, whatever, marriageable age young people, women in particular, yeah, men also, but they approach the whole dating game as shopping. Like, they want a guy who's 6 foot, they want a guy who's rich, who's smart, handsome, like it's a whole checklist, quite forgetting that they may very well not fit into the shopping list of someone else. Like, no, the reason a book like this is very important is a lot of the young crowd, I mean, we tend to have an inflated opinion of ourselves, which is a good thing, really. But uh, but when it comes to dating, and this book is, honestly, I would say it's very pro marriage. It's all about how you should finally choose someone who's Mr. Good Enough instead of just Mr. Right or Mr. Perfect, because no such person really exists. So this is a very eye-opening book, and since it's been written by a psychologist, like, her writing style is so arresting. Like, this is a 322-page book, and it's interviewing a range of people, and it's like, my God, there are certain books that stay with you long after you've read it. So Laurie Gottlieb's book, Mr. Good Enough, is one of them. So people, if y'all know of anyone who's like, in that dating circuit and dating market, marriage market here in India, it's a big thing, right? You will need to read this book, Mr. Good Enough, because it will open your eyes to the fact that look around and you will find that there are so many people who fit into the good enough category. So that is very thought provoking. So do read this book, people. I can't recommend it enough. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.